We're gonna surprise attack East. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Hey, fucking lag, bro. Now go back. Side back. Care. They're engaging. Heal. Yeah, I know, bro. Walk in.
Heavy
Look for me. I know. Let them kite. Don't chase now. Look for me. We're gonna hit in 5. We're gonna hit in 4. In 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Okay, it's okay. Go back. Depth. Walk in. D-tanks hold their DPS. Don't let them kite. Hold their DPS. They're kiting really high, bro. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Okay, now kite back now. Defense get ready. On this GA. Get ready to defend on this GA. Defend now. They engage. Kite now. Wait. Oh, push inside. Look for me. You're gonna hit in 5. Look for the crown. In 4, in 3, in 2, 1. Hit the crown. Oh my god. If you a bit more DPS, you would have fucking wiped them here. Okay, kite now. Oh, come kite from team.
What the fuck?
Heal my healers. We all good. That's why we don't use longbow to come here. Look for me.
There's a party behind us.
2, 1. Hit me now. Party behind us. Let's be ready. They miss. It's okay, bro. I don't need info about blueberries. You walk in.
There's fire behind us.
It's okay. They won't do shit. It's okay. Okay, walk back. Walk back. Walk back. We're gonna hit you guys. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Wipe this red. Enough.
Nice.
Okay, fine. Now walk east again. Didn't hold them. Okay, tell them ready. Hold.
Ready.
Stabilize. DPS stay behind. Kukame, come fast. You can come from Fort Sterling, Kukame.
I know Ricky here.
Okay, it's okay, bro. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Okay, miss. Just leave it. Good job. Keep holding them. Kidnap their D-tank if you can. Your speed hunter, kidnap their D-tank, please. And then push him with rope, boys.
Just go. Oh, go.
Okay, look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Fucking massive.
Big.
Fuck, bro. How we missed that shit? Roar so late. Care. They're looking good, GA. Care.
Demon. That's right.
That's me. Care the looking. Depth. Walk in. We have pressure. Walk in. Try to hold them. Walk in. Look for me. We're gonna hit this tanks. Okay? Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the tanks on me. Almost, boys. Almost. Go back now. Careful. Depth. Be ready. Wait. They have engaged now. They're coming. Depth now. Demons. Pop your demons. Bro.
They went for the
Backline. My fucking backline, bro. Sleepy, bro. You guys are sleepy, Popan and Roar. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now.
Okay.
Fat clap, but not if our defense is not fitting together, we cannot. Careful, they must be ready. Okay, they must be ready. Demon. Good demons. Look for me. Find the crown. We're gonna 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown.
Big. So big.
Nice. Finally, bro. We kill one. Just spread. Spread now. What did we kill? What this guy was playing? Did we kill a DPS?
Healer. He was a healer.
Healer.
Spread now. They have engaged. They're looking now. They're engaging. Everybody walk in. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Okay, look for me now. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 1. Hit me now.
अच्छी भाई
Kite back, kite north. Didn't hold them. Didn't hold them. Good cheer. Didn't keep holding them. Go north. Get shallow. Walk up. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Okay, go back. It's okay. I tried to catch that root bomb. Be ready to defend. Look for the skull. Skull is gonna engage. Lina. Defend Lina, okay? Defend Lina. They're gonna. Okay, nice one. You almost look for this guy.
One guy is
4, 3,
behind.
wait. Yo, don't drop your DPS right now. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Hit me slow. Okay, it's okay. Just kite now. Kite north. North. Clear my backline. DPS care. Okay. They're looking. They engage. They fake.
I think one guy
This field.
Go down. They fail.
Okay, look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Hit this shot. And be ready to defend. Okay, be ready to defend. Good job. Listen. Walk inside them.
Gucci third party.
Walk inside them.
Gucci third party behind us.
Okay.
There's a third party behind us. Gucci third party.
Okay. Turn on Thatchford. Walk. Catch this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy on me. Finish this guy on me. We wiped Thatchford here. Keep walking. Listen, now. It's okay. We keep walking. Vano will know what to do. They will know what to do. Don't worry.
6 minutes, I say.
I know. Keep walking. Def now.
They're
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. One shot that motherfucker. Nice shit. Keep walking. Run over them. Kill this bow on me. Run over them.
This golem, man.
Don't hit Vano. Okay? Don't hit Vano. Focus on the Thatchford left flag. Don't hit Vano. Look for me.
Golem off.
Just kill this guy.
Vano went down. Vano
Oh,
went
the
south.
golem is Gucci, no, please.
Kill this Thatchford guy as well.
One Jin is Thatchford?
Just kill him.
Bro, Gucci, no, please come here.
Yo, Roar, are you here? Roar, are you coming? Roar,
Oh my
I
God.
need the spirit. Roar. Is Roar here?
You guys were 5 minutes on OC anyways.
I know. Macroon, that is Macroon. You walk. Catch. G them. Oh, no. Cancel.
Yeah, it's friendly fire, Paul.
Oh. What's that Macroon guy here?
Shadow, there's a conditional nearby.
We go bit north. Come bit north. Look for the crown. Follow the crown.
This blink is giving me a headache.
Triple OC.
Follow. Go up the hill. Come back up the hill. Didn't come. Tell them we are ready. By the way.
That Macaron Locust is with them.
Yeah. I thought that was with Thatchford. Yeah. Care. Go up the hill. Dengaging. Don't fuck up. Look for me. I'm gonna hit this GA. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the GA. Okay. Hit the crown. Just hit the crown. Okay, now go back. Why are we losing reputation? Oh, they are the one losing reputation, not us. Okay, go. Kite back. DPS careful if you're behind. Keep kiting northeast. DPS, keep kiting northeast. Look for the crown. They're engaging. Hold them up. How
Heal me.
How cold is it?
I was already low and healing.
Okay. Look for me, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown.
Back.
It's their demons up. Kite now. Didn't hold them. Keep kiting. Heal Pika. DPS full run northeast. DPS. Care. They're looking. Care. Okay. Care.
No.
Demon. Heal my friend. Look for me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now.
Good stop.
Okay, go back.
Fully,
Okay,
man.
go up the hill and east. Go up the hill and east. Go up the hill and east. Up the hill and east. Up the hill and east. Okay. Up the hill and east. Up the hill and east. Up the hill and east. Keep going east. Keep going east. Care. They're looking now. Care. They're looking now. Okay. They're looking. Demon. Pop your demons. Pop your demons. Pop your demons. Pop your demons. I don't let my DPS die. Heal him. Okay, look for me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Give me crack.
Oh, the mob. Oh my god.
We lost fight.
He's down.
Fight is down. Tap.
Engage.
Bro.
Not die.
Okay. We keep fighting. Look for me. Last engage 5.
So I say hold.
He said hold.
It's okay. We GG.
God, these fucking nuts.
Is Valdeo live? Okay, they might be.
Yeah, they executed me.
It's okay.
I was trying to prevent that though.
Kill the mob, please. Kill the mob, please.
We done our OC breaking. How many people in party? I think people already left, or some people, so I guess.